Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up ClickUp tasks and custom fields, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your ClickUp workspace. Navigate to the project or workspace where you want to set up tasks. Click on the plus task button to create a new task. Enter a title for your task. Add a description to provide more context. Set the task status by selecting the appropriate option from the drop-down menu. Choose the priority level based on your project's needs. Assign the task to a team member by clicking on the Assignee field. Set a due date by selecting the calendar icon. Now, let's explore how to add custom fields. Click on the Custom Fields option in the task window. Select Add Custom Field to create a new field. Choose the field type you need, such as text, number, or drop-down. Give your custom field a meaningful name. If applicable, define the options for your custom field. Click Add to save your new custom field. To include the custom field in your task, simply fill it out. Repeat the process to create additional custom fields as needed. Once you're satisfied with your task setup, click Save. Your task is now created with the necessary details and custom fields. You can view all your tasks in the list or board view. To edit a task or its custom fields later, click on the task title. Make any necessary changes and click Save again. You have successfully set up tasks and custom fields in ClickUp. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.